How often do you eat outside?
Mostly on weekends.
Tea or coffee?
Coffee, especially in the morning.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, I don't.
Do you shop online?
Yes, quite often.
What was your last purchase?
A jacket.
What skills matter most in your job?
Creativity and attention to detail.
Do you watch movies regularly?
Almost every weekend.
Books or movies?
Books. I enjoy reading more.
Have you ever had surgery?
Yes, last year.
Any allergies?
Peanuts.
Do you usually cook at home?
Yes, most nights.
What time do you go to sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
Do you read before sleeping?
Yes, every night.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza.
Do you enjoy spicy food?
Yes, I love it.
Who's your favorite actor?
Tom Hanks.
Are you close to your family?
Very close.
What new skill are you learning?
French.
What do you do for fun?
Painting and cycling.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, very much.
Are you learning English?
Yes, every day.